Good evening. Got a little song for you guys I wrote about Narbor, Iowa. It's another little heaven on earth, little fishing song. Met some real special people here. Anyway, I'll take you there. Well, it all began at the Anchor Inn at the corner of 3rd and Front, where I stopped in, hoped to meet some friends and figure out what I wanted for lunch. I met Boone and Joe. And don't you know they had the best advice around? I've been fishing on the Turkey River, well, every day since I hit town. Well, it leads to the Mississippi as it flows through the Iowa hills, and all the life within would amaze the wisest man. Just look close and you will notice the glory. They got smallmouth and walleye that will blow your mind. A northern pike or a muskie breaking off your line. If you chance to catch a red horse, smoke that sucker up. And if you lay into a flathead, well, boy, you better buckle up. Well, it leads to the Mississippi as it flows through the Iowa hills, and all the life within would amaze the wisest man. Just look close and you will notice the glory. Well, past Sears on the corner, heading towards Moore Mill, hunting them morel mushrooms by the water on the hill. Lordy, Lordy, hallelujah. Well, the fish, they start to bite. I set up a pole and the sun sinks low. I might catfish there all night. Well, it leads to the Mississippi as it flows through the Iowa hills, and all the life within would amaze the wisest man. Just look close and you will notice the glory. Thank you.